Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a signature to your email template where you can write an email going forward in NetSuite, and then the signature will have it in place. First thing is first, I will share this document where you will be able to get all the form, the standard form that you will have going forward. So first I will do is I'll go ahead and copy this, and I'll go to the documents, templates, email templates, and new. Once we're here, we're simply just copying and paste the ones that we just copied earlier, and make sure these are all right fonts and format for you guys. For example, all this should be, the font should be the Arial. And then the top one should be, the size should be 11, and bottom one should be the size of 9. That's all you need to do. And after that, you will need to change it to source. So obviously I will need to substitute the name with the actual 9 that I need to do. Same with here, the first and last name. And then the title should be admin, for example. And I can go ahead and do a source here. And it's gonna get me all this file. I'm gonna do copy and paste from I can copy and paste everything if I wish, and come back here to the home, and then I'll go to the set preferences. Once you're at the set preferences, this signature should be empty. You'll be copying and pasting what you just copied from here to the source, copying it into here. Only thing that you're copying it here now that wasn't here is you'll be copying this part right here into this format. Just give me 1 second while I do that. And also I'll be sharing this as well. So on the format here, I'm going to share this one, I'm sorry. And you're going to replace the last part and this one right here. Replace that with this, just copying and paste. And this will be all included at the Word document where you'll be adding. And simply save. And make sure to check the add signature to messages as well. So for example, if I go to the sales order, any sales order that's on here, or it could be any transaction, or it could be anything. And this is just to test the signatures in place. If I go to just to email, and go to the messages, you can see that my email has been added accordingly with all the fonts that needs to be done with the image as well. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching the video.